Hey everybody, it's Starr. In this video I share with you my quinoa, lime, cilantro, and veggie mix for dinner. I start out with some baby carrots and I like to just cut them into tiny pieces before tossing them into some boiling water to get soft and nice and tender. Then I like to add in the mushrooms along with some minced garlic. The minced garlic gives it flavor as it boil up together. I let it steam for maybe about 10 minutes or so before I enter in the kale. I add in some onion powder as well. Enter the kale into the pot, give it a stir, and add in some olive oil. At this point, I like to use the extra virgin olive oil, the Goya brand, because it has a different flavor than other olive oils. And then I add in some cumin and some more black pepper and a tiny bit of salt, along with some soy sauce, like a soy sauce packet. Give that a nice stir and let it simmer. Cover it over maybe about 5 to 7 minutes, and then I prepare the cilantro, just chopping it. I like to chop it all the way down to the stem because it gets all the nutrients and all the nice stuff. And then you just squeeze some lime. I love this tool for the lime because it just gets everything out nice and juicy. So I like to add it into a little container and get it ready before I add it into the pot. So at this point, this quinoa is already done, and I just add in the cilantro along with the lime. Give that a stir and just let it get hot. Then I like to add a little bit of seasonings. I put crushed black pepper in this as well with a tiny bit of salt along with this organic veggie blend seasoning that has a lot of herbs and nice fragrance things. I love fragrance and smells, so anything that smells like a good concoction, I just throw it in and you just figure it out. That's what cooking is all about. And this was really good, my friends, and that's about it. Oh, and if you're wondering, I just boiled the quinoa in water and I added some potatoes last minute because I only had one and it was so yummy, this whole entire meal. If you guys enjoy, please join me in the next video and I'll talk to you soon.